Hello, today we will guide you through how to use FX Replay to backtest. To begin, open the FX Replay dashboard in your browser. This is the main area where you can access the platform's tools and set up your practice environment. If you are already signed in, you should land directly on the dashboard. If not, just complete the sign-in process first and then continue from there. Once you are on the dashboard, click on Backtesting. This section is where you can create a replay session and test how a trading idea would have performed in past market conditions. Backtesting is useful because it helps you practice decision-making without risking real funds, and it gives you a chance to review how a strategy behaves over time. After opening the backtesting area, enter a sample name for your session. This name helps you stay organized, especially if you plan to create multiple sessions for different strategies, assets, or date ranges. Choose a label that makes sense to you so it is easy to identify later. Keeping session names clear can save time when you want to compare results. Next, follow the on-screen procedure. FX Replay will guide you through the setup options needed before the session begins. Take a moment here to review each field carefully. The platform may ask you to confirm settings related to your replay environment, and it is a good idea to make sure everything matches the scenario you want to test. Going slowly at this stage can help prevent mistakes later. Once that is done, select the sample asset you want to backtest. This is the market or instrument you will be reviewing in replay mode. Be sure to choose the correct asset for the strategy you are testing, since your results will depend heavily on what market you are analyzing. If you are learning the platform for the first time, starting with a familiar asset can make the process easier. After you finish the setup, click on Create Session. This will launch your backtesting session and load the chart based on the options you selected. Depending on the platform and your settings, it may take a moment for everything to appear, so give it a few seconds if needed. Finally, click the play button at the top. This starts the replay and lets the historical market action move forward so you can observe price behavior and test your trade ideas as if the market were unfolding live. As you go, stay focused on consistency and note how your strategy performs under realistic conditions. That's it. You have now set up and started a backtest in FX Replay.